Hello guys, today's video is about cooking an eggplant. First, we need to have two eggplant and then cut them into half. Just cut them evenly that when you flatten it, it forms nicely. Just like that guys, just cut it. Just like that, it's even. And then you scratch on top because we might need this some scratch on top so that the mincemeat later on will go into the meat of the eggplant to become more flavor and the taste will suck in. Just put them into a platter nicely to prepare for steaming. This is it guys, we need to steam the eggplant for just 6 to 8 minutes. Just check it out because it might be overcooked or undercooked. But me, I just set it into a 6 to 8. Yes, just like that and cover it. While steaming guys, we need to fry the mincemeat that we might put on top of the eggplant. See guys, the other one is steaming, and while steaming I need to saute the mincemeat. This one we need just the onion, and the mincemeat is already marinated with salt, pepper and cornstarch and additional sesame oil. Just need to fry this one guys, the mincemeat. This mincemeat need to put a lot of garlic after frying so that the aroma of the minced pork is better and tastier and yummier. That's the garlic guys, minced meat. That is minced garlic, and then just mix it up. Fry. That should be the aroma is better already. Very nice already. That one is oyster sauce. We need to put some oyster sauce, light soya sauce. Just stir fry until you get the aroma. And additional light soya sauce. Just don't put too much. I add a little bit more the light sauce. Sorry, it's the oyster sauce. Just fry. And then some sugar to balance the taste. It's salty. And then scoop out some, because my madam want the spicy, so I make it the leftover into spicy one, and then the other one is for kids one. Here it is, guys. After steaming the eggplant, we put them into a nice platter and flat them nicely and evenly. Then scratch some the pork, and then just like that, guys, so that the flavor of the mincemeat will suck in inside of the meat of the eggplant. Just like that, guys. Okay, and then put the mincemeat on top. Just like that. Make it full. Put all the mincemeat, cover the top of the eggplant. This two set is for the kids one, not spicy. And this one is the spicy part for my madam. And after that, guys, steam again. After putting all the mincemeat, steam for 3 minutes only. This is after 3 minutes. Put some spring onion on top, guys, for garnish. After putting the garnish, put some the light soya sauce on top. And then after that, take some hot oil and just pour on top of the eggplant. You can smell the aroma of the garlic, the mincemeat. It's flavorful after pouring the hot oil. Here it is, guys. Looks so yummy. Enjoy and make it sure that you finish the video so that you can get the full recipe of it. Thank you guys for watching.